Oh, hello. Is this the Airbus Beluga? Nice. Look at this. Where did the V come from? I bet all the LA people will come out to see this, that's why. Rare bird into LAX, folks. Go on, son, get it down. Oh, he's taking back off again. Yeah. Woohoo! What a touchdown. Nice, Airbus Beluga, the first time into LAX, folks. Okay, folks, I think we're going to do the 380 to the last flight into London now, so we're going to head on over to yeah, we're going to head to Frankfurt on the 380 now. Yeah. Virgin Atlantic 777-200 due in. Really?